Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you the story of Oduduwa, who is known as the father of all Yoruba race across the globe. Before I deep dive into it, it is important to tell you a little bit about Yoruba people. The people of Yoruba, popularly called Iran Yoruba in Yoruba language, are an ethnic group that lives in western part of Africa, mainly in Nigeria, Benin, Ghana, Togo, Ivory Coast, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Senegal, and the Gambia constitute about 50 million people worldwide. And the vast majority of this population is from Nigeria, where the Yoruba makes up to 21% of the country's population. Yoruba is one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa. Having said this, the father of this one of the largest ethnic group in Africa is Oduduwa. Oduduwa is a key and very important name to the entirety of Yoruba race. Oduduwa, whose the etymology of his name is from Odu to Da-Iwa, meaning the principle that created the physical reality. Some sources equally claim that Oduduwa came down to Ile-Ife from the sky with a chain called Ewo. This is why he is equally called Oduduwa Ateworan. Where is the Ile-Ife that Oduduwa migrated or descended to? Ile-Ife is an ancient Yoruba city in southwestern Nigeria. It is the Yoruba holy city. Ile-Ife city is located in Osun State, among the states of Nigeria. Oduduwa became a divine king of Yorubas in Ile-Ife. And according to traditions, Oduduwa was the holder of the title of the Ooni of Ile-Ife. He was not only the first leader of Ile-Ife, but also the ancestor of various independent royal dynasties in Yoruba land and ancestor of Yoruba crowned kings. All the Oonis are traced back to Oduduwa, who is the ancestral leader of all the Yoruba people. Oduduwa, which can equally be pronounced as Odua, Oduduwa, or Odua, is today a respected hero, warrior, leader, and father of the Yoruba race. Oduduwa is praised as Olofin Adimula, Olofin Aye, and Olufe. Now, did Oduduwa had a father? Yes, his father's name is Lamurudu. Omonide was Oduduwa's spouse, and Okanbi was his son. The Yoruba race begins to grow through the expansion of his descendants. The descendants of Oduduwa are majorly categorized into 8, and they are known as the Obalades, meaning the crown chiefs of Yoruba land. They are 1. Onipopo of Popo, 2. Onisabe of Sabe, 3. The Alaafin of Oyo, 4. Orongun of Ile-Ife, 5. Alake of Egbaland, 6. Alaketu of Ketu, 7. Owa Oboku of Ijesha land, and 8. Owa of Ilesha. These were the true heir to the throne of Oduduwa. It is believed that Ogun purposely sent all Oduduwa's children on different journeys to effect Yoruba territory expansion, as advised by the Ifa oracle. For the sake of this video, the actual years Oduduwa reigned cannot be accurately estimated, but according to a source, the Ooni dynasty, which Oduduwa was the older, existed before the reign of Oromiyan, which historians have argued is between 7th to 9th centuries AD. The current Ooni of Ile-Ife is Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II Kábíyèsí o. He is now the 51st Ooni of Ile-Ife, the Yoruba Kingdom of Ile-Ife. He was proclaimed as Ooni in 2015, succeeding the deceased Oba Okunade Shijoade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.